I'm well aware that everyone who has a cell phone that uses either AT&T and or any other service just received an alert. With that being said, in an extreme measure of caution, we're going to go ahead and go shelter at this particular time, shelter in place. We do not want students out in the hallway. We do not want them being in the classroom environment. We're sheltering in that classroom environment right now. We're going to put a sign on the door. Those students will be dismissed to parents as we're in shelter at this particular time. I'll be back home momentarily with other instructions. We are not in any danger. This is an extreme caution. I do not want to alert anyone. Please listen to the words and the tone in which I say those words. Teaching staff, if you need anything, please call us on all of them. We're with the administrator and with myself. Again, we are sheltering at this particular time. Do not empower young people to leave their classroom environment. We do not wear hats to go to the classroom. We do not travel in